Hey, what's up everybody? Paul here, Left Coast Model Car Builds. Happy Thursday. Hope you're having a good week. Been a good one here. Gonna go ahead and get into our Throwback Thursday. Still got to pull the box of resins to do some of the Tuesdays, so sorry we missed you there. But some good stuff here. I don't know if we'll look at both or one, but pulled old Johan 64 Caddy and an old Johan 63 customizing Caddy. And of course, we got our Customs Illustrated. Really cool stuff in this one. I was checking this one out earlier. Really nice. So, anyhow, a couple other things coming along. Hopefully it'll be a good weekend to get some bench time and a couple of videos out. Been getting some good bench time in and work on my 49, but timing has just been a struggle. Work has been pretty crazy. And again, trying to keep up with the projects, but hopefully see some normalcy coming back to the channel here. So anyways, hope everybody's been good. And let's jump into this, and we've got some other things we'll be getting through in another video either tonight or tomorrow. So let's go ahead and jump into the kit and our magazine. Back in a second. All right, everybody. So first thing we're going to take a look at, I think we'll go ahead and look at both of these. I mean, man, these are a lot more basic than I recall. The 63, I've not messed with. The 64, I want to say I've got one back in the shed. I started cleaning up years ago, and then it stalled out. So it's back there somewhere. Really cool caddy body. Love the 64s. Just really nice bodies. Again, these are some of those kits that, or cars in general, that you don't have to do much to really make them look good. Man, that sucker is a beast though. Man, that sucker's huge. So we got minimal chrome here. Just a couple of parts. Chrome's really nice on this. Let's see what we got here. We got few engine pieces, radiator, nice huge hood. The rest of the engine stuff, the dash, some seats, firewall. Very, very basic kit here. We got some old white walls that are a little deformed. Go figure. Oh, I don't know if you can see with my fingers in the way, but anyhow, we doubt we'll be using those. But yeah, super basic. That's literally half the instructions there and the other half right there. So at some point we will definitely be building a neat curbside out of this. Get your cool tail lights. We got a nice steering wheel. Little console there. So now I'm actually curious to see the 63 kit, because that box felt quite a bit heavier. So I'm assuming there's some more options, some more pieces. So let's kind of put this stuff away real quick here. Need to wrap up that chrome. But we're going to see if this will slide up in here. Most of them. I see it's got the pins that do not exactly line up, but man, that's the bulk of your car right there, which again, this will be a neat curbside candidate for some really nice paint work on that 64 Coupe de Ville. But I'm curious about this guy to see how similar it is. And what they did here, it's definitely got more pieces in it, I will tell you that. All right. You have to excuse the noise out there. Got the neighborhood kids out playing now. We got some sun, good weather, and it's, to me, it's warm out here. So we got the big door open. We were doing some work earlier. So here's our 63 body, quite similar to the 64. Really nice lines, clean molds. The one thing I like about some of this old stuff is you do not have quite as much flash. Most of your mold lines are more predominant, which at first glance, you might say, it's more stuff to work out. But to me, it's kind of nice because you can see it, you can work with it. You don't got stuff that after you start primering, they kind of pop out of nowhere. So we got our interior tub. Steering wheel, again, another nice, massive chassis there. And, you know, very similar, but definitely a little more parts here. So we got some custom pieces, probably some of the custom, just the front and the rear is about all the difference. And again, you got a custom set of wheels, some lake pipes, looks like some exhaust tips. So aside from the custom pieces, pretty identical 64, same valve covers. So really cool though. I don't know if you're, you know, a fan of these old Caddies, but they make some really, really nice, just simple cruisers, simple builds. These are the kind of kits that you can really take your time, clean up the bodies really nice, put a nice paint job, do a nice job on the interior, lower the sucker down, put a nice set of wheels on it, and you'll have a beautiful model to set on, you know, a curbside table or your bench, you know, or what have you. But I mean, these are just, they're beast. These are candidates for some nice pearl or candy paint work. You know, just really nice. Yeah, seats pretty well defined from what we got there. Let's take a look. Glass is nice. Use a little polishing, but you can kind of see. So not too bad at all on these old Caddies. So let me go ahead and get this stuff put away, and then we're going to dive into our magazine. We'll be right back. All right, everybody. So here we are with our Customs Illustrated. Really fun issue here. Number 22. We got Radical Rides, East to West. Love that shoebox right there on the cover. Really, really cool stuff. Yeah, I love that Ford pickup right there too. Yeah, really nice stuff. Man, right out the gate, really cool 60 Buick. So you love those. I mean, you don't see many of them, or at least where we're at. Real cars, model cars, but definitely love them. Buddy of mine's got a 60. I think we've got some of the original AMTs and at least one or two model houses, which will be really neat to do something with one day. But man, they are boats. Good old Buick. But the styling on those, again, really neat. Not much work necessary to make those into very cool looking cars. That's a pretty cool model car, so check that out. There's a really neat mark right there. Always neat to see some of the model car stuff that made it into some of these. That's pretty wild right there. Really neat stuff. That's a wild build right there, old custom. Really neat styling. Seeing those, I can't talk enough about that. You know, the creativity used back then. Really cool. Check that out. That is very sweet. Ford pickup right there. I think it's sweet. A lot of custom work there. You get your Frenched antennas. Tons of molding in the front and back. Beautiful interior. Look at the colors, how they offset that paint. Really, really nice. So Buick. Very cool Oldsmobile there. Very cool. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Gangrene. Look at that. That is sweet. All the info, or good little spill on the custom touches there. Santa Maria 2009. Definitely killer shows out there. See so much cool custom stuff. That's bad right there. It's hard to beat that right there, those early 30s, mid 30s. Just absolutely beautiful. There you go, some of the custom. Quick little shot there, probably from the model car show. Beautiful flame work on that. Yeah, that is nice. Color just fits that car very nicely. Just beautiful. Really nice custom touches in there. Viva Las Vegas, another fun show. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Very cool T-Bird right there. And nice little Buick. Little Chevy. Beautiful. Love that stuff right there. Some really cool write-ups on the shoebox. All right, and that brings us to the end of our Throwback Thursday. Hope you guys enjoyed the look at some old Johan Cadillacs and our Customs Illustrated. And we will see you soon with some more stuff, guys. Go ahead and take care. Don't forget to take a look at our sponsor stuff here. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.